Freecash payment. Timing depends on the reward method, account verification, and the processing steps required before a payout is completed. By the end, you'll know what controls Freecash payment speed, how to track your payout status, and what to do if your payment is taking longer than expected. The first thing to understand is that completing an offer does not always mean the payment process is finished. Freecash rewards may need to be confirmed before they become available for withdrawal. Start by checking your Freecash account dashboard after completing an offer. Your balance, activity history, and reward status show whether your earnings have been credited or if additional processing is still happening. The second section is understanding why payment timing can vary. Different offers and reward options can involve different steps before funds are released. A task may appear completed while the system is still confirming the required conditions. Before completing any offer, read the instructions carefully. Check the requirements, complete every listed step, and make sure your account information is accurate. These steps help reduce problems with missing or delayed rewards. If your Freecash payment appears delayed, check your account first instead of immediately creating another request. Review the reward details, confirm that the offer was completed correctly, and look for any messages connected to your payout. The third section is fixing payment issues. If your payout remains unresolved, contact Freecash support with specific details about the problem. Include the reward type, the offer you completed, the date of the activity, and any available screenshots or account information that shows what happened. A detailed support request helps explain the issue clearly. Avoid sending repeated support requests for the same payout because keeping one conversation organized makes it easier to follow the resolution process. The best way to improve your Freecash payment experience is to complete offers carefully, check your account status regularly, and understand the requirements before starting a task. Payment speed can vary depending on the reward and account situation, so your Freecash dashboard remains the most accurate place to check your current payout progress. To summarize, Freecash payment speed depends on reward processing, verification steps, and payout details. Checking your dashboard shows your current status, and completing offers correctly helps prevent delays. Your next step is to open Freecash, review your pending rewards, and check the status of your latest payout request. If this guide helped you understand Freecash payment timing, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.